This week's Teacher's Choice is practice with proper nouns. Proper nouns are something that we have used all year. I have been pointing them out to you as proper nouns, but here's a little bit more practice. So at the top it says, a noun names a person, place, thing, or idea. A proper noun names a specific person, place, thing, or idea. A proper noun begins with a capital letter. Examples: Officer Rice, New City Police Station, police cruiser. So it's not just police officer, it's Officer Rice. He's the specific police officer. Teacher could be a noun to describe me, but Mrs. Swenson would be the proper noun, and it would be capitalized. So the first thing here is that you're going to write a proper noun on each line. So these need to have capital letters. I will show you what I mean, but you can't copy mine because you have to put down your favorite person, your favorite place, and your favorite thing. Okay? So my favorite person, that is tricky. I will put my husband's name. They both will be capitalized because they are proper nouns. My favorite place, Lake Winnipesaukee. Lake in this case is capitalized because it's part of the name of Lake Winnipesaukee. If I just said the lake, I wouldn't capitalize it. My favorite thing, I thought this was interesting. I'm going to say Broadway shows. I love to go to New York City and go to Broadway shows. Notice capital letters because they are proper nouns. I'm naming who my favorite person is, where my favorite place is, and what my favorite thing is. Now, you're going to use each proper noun in a sentence and underline the proper nouns. So I would write a sentence about John Swenson, I would write a sentence about Lake Winnipesaukee, and I would write a sentence about Broadway shows. You don't have a lot of lines here, so pay attention to the size of your writing and how much space is between words. Remember, you don't need more than a little finger space between your words. Now, the next page is proper nouns again. Makes sense. Gives you the same information at the top about a noun being a person, place, thing, or idea, and a proper noun being a specific person, place, thing, or idea, and that it is always capitalized. So on this sheet, you're going to underline the proper noun in each sentence. So of course, you should be looking for capital letters, right? Because you know proper nouns will have a capital letter. So read each sentence, look for it, all right? Yes, I will read the sentences because I don't want you to just buzz through it and underline the capital letter words. I want you to know what the sentences say. Gigantor the giant is taller than most trees. Have you ever eaten at Burgers and Fries? Is your teacher Mr. Rodriguez? My grandparents live in Morro Bay, California. My dad bought a Speedy Go scooter. Seattle, Washington is known for having rainy weather. Seth Friendly is a new student at our school. When I make a mistake, I use my no-show eraser to fix it. Then down here, you're going to write 3 proper nouns for each category. So, person. So you're going to name 3 people, 3 places, and 3 things that would qualify as a proper noun. Like a proper noun, like here. A thing, I think, are the trickiest. Like, if you just said an eraser, it wouldn't be capital, but you're naming it's a no-show eraser. So a thing might be a special kind of pen or a special kind of video game, something like that. Now these don't take very long, so I want you to pay attention to the right on at the bottom of both, because you may have time. This one is, pretend you were inventing a new restaurant. What would the restaurant be called? What kind of foods would be served? Write your response on a separate sheet of paper and use proper nouns in the sentences and underline them. So certainly your restaurant name would need a capital, but maybe you'll tell me who would work there, and maybe you tell me the foods that you would have. This one is, on a separate sheet of paper, use 2 proper nouns in a sentence, underline the proper nouns. Have fun.